Tai Lopez, social media consultant, 500 million views on his ad. Which one was it? What's up guys, Kris Krāze here. Today's quick video, Tai Lopez, social media consultant. Who is he? If you don't know who he is, then you're in the dark because this guy is something crazy. Yes, people know who he is. He is a phenomenon. Now, why is it so important? He had one of the highest performing ads on YouTube ever, called Here in My Garage. As you can see here on the screen, well performed. There was a strategy to this ad. I have that below. Click the link below and I'll give that to you for free. But how did this become about? Well, he basically followed somebody called Corey Ruddle, whatever the name's called. It's R-U-D-L, first name C-O-R-E-Y. And he saw a money-making program online from this individual, ended up turning around and decided that he wanted to take it. And these were days when you had to wait for a 3-ring binder to come in the mail. Yes, this wasn't like click, download, view online, the whole 9 yards. Not like that. So he got it, ended up in the first year, $72,000 is what he made off of Google Ads because of what he learned in this program. So he feels that he has to give this back to people. So he's offered his strategies, his advice. However, I've gone in and I've dissected some of his ads, and there's a strategy that works. It's very, very simple, but you have to know it in order for it to be effective. Otherwise, you're not going to do it the right way. And of course, this is coming from somebody who has one of the most effective ads on YouTube. Now, why? What is this program? Yes, he does have a program. I'll touch on that quickly and then we'll have other videos on that later. But number one in this program was monetizing social media. Just because you have a following doesn't mean that you are great, that you're doing things. If you're not monetizing it, if you're not collecting more data on it, then it doesn't mean anything. So number two was advanced strategies. And what are those? These are free and paid traffic, how to get more traffic, how to drive more traffic, everything with social media to get more people. That's what you want. Number three was starting an online marketing agency. If you already know how to do this with yourself, why not do this for other small businesses? And you may ask, why a small business? Well, 400,000 small businesses are started every year in the United States. 400,000. Now what happens? In year one, 20% of those fail. In year 2, 3, 4, and 5, within the first 5 years, 50% of those fail. And you ask why? Marketing, out of the top 10 reasons, I did an earlier video on this, out of the top 10 reasons of why businesses fail within the first 10 years, marketing relates to 3 of those. So if you don't have your marketing right and social media falls in the marketing, then you're doing it wrong. So if you can help other businesses do that, and you know how to do that, whether you're starting a business yourself, whether you're looking for easy ways to make money online, learning social media, this is in your back pocket. You could charge small businesses to do it. Now, continuing forward, in 10 years of being in business, 35% of businesses and small businesses fail. And the numbers just go up because they're not marketing, they're not getting their value proposition to their customers, they're not getting the right marketing and the right message across. And this can go anything from branding through marketing. So this is very, very important. This isn't something that you just want to just forget about. Now, business with small business owners is the key. I have more information at the link below. And on this video, we're keeping it short. I'm Kris Krāze. And of course, you ask, who am I? Why am I giving you this information? Is this guy even credible? Well, my name's Kris Krāze. I have multiple brands in special effects, in entertainment, in online, Amazon businesses. I have Shopify businesses. I've been through the gamut. I know what I'm talking about, and I have A-list clients. Yes, A-list, Fortune 500. I've been at Wall Street Journal. So enough about me. That just to show the credibility. Thanks for listening. This was Tai Lopez, digital social media consultant, and I'm Kris Krāze. I'm a social media and a brand consultant. That's right, guys. So that was my plug. Had to throw it in there. Why not? You're already watching the video. So if you want some help on branding and some strategies, yes, I've had brands with A-list customers. You know where to find me. Link below. Subscribe, like, notification bells, ding, ding, ding. And I'm Kris Krāze. Until next time, I'm out.